Flip the unit over and remove 11 5mm screws from the bottom cover. Flip the unit back over, open it up, insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest, and gently slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Flip the unit back over and remove the bottom cover. Peel back the tape. Lift up the battery and pull back to unplug the battery from the motherboard. Place the battery and plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover. Push down to snap back into place. Replace the 11 5mm screws back into the bottom cover.